Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Vegetable Derby area and ito pong portion na ito ay demonstration farm ng Harvest. No? Yun po yung kumpanya ni Toto Barcelona who participated in this event. Even if hindi siya competitor, no? Pinapakita niya lang technology. So makikita nyo, meron siyang greenhouse na gawa lang sa kawayan. So it could easily be replicated by ordinary farmers. You don't need expensive materials. And meron silang mga plots dito na may mga mulching. And what is significant about this visit today is the fact that I brought with me the president of Sandan Philippines, Ikeda-san. And the reason why I brought them here is because we are already looking forward. While we are preparing to produce, we have to prepare the facilities for our production. Say for example, over there, we are now planting strawberry, okay? But that will not be successful without a cold storage facility.
Cold chain, need cold
Okay,
chain.
you need cold chain.
Yes, cold
See?
chain.
So while that may happen 1 year or 2 years from now, this early we already have to come up with a plan on how to do it. And that, my friends, is how we do it in agriculture. Hindi pwedeng tanim lang tayo ng tanim na walang forward planning. This early, as you plant, number one, you have to determine if there's a market. And if there's a market, the next problem that you should solve is how to bring your produce to the market. And of course, very basic is how to produce quality product. Okay? That's the reason why we are holding this Mindanao Vegetable Derby with the help of the Department of Agriculture, Director Carlin Culiado here, the local government unit of Bukidnon under Governor Subiri, Mayor Factora and the other mayors of the 4 towns. Mayor Bilo of Sumilao, Mayor Uy of Impasugong, and Bibipar of Lantapan. No? So lahat po sila tumutulong sa atin sapagkat ang projection natin, gawin nating vegetable and high value crop production area itong area na to. And look, I was telling Ikeda-san earlier, you know, many people have ridiculed me for saying that the Philippines could be food sufficient. Look at this area. This area alone is about 50,000 hectares where we could plant vegetables and high value crops. And if you have 50,000 hectares of vegetable farms, you will supply more than the Philippines. You will supply the whole region. But we just need to believe and we just need to focus. Yan po ang ating mensahe.